The Rust programming language is a combination of tested components from system programming languages and a design of modern programming language. Rust integrates the syntax of high-level languages with their control and performance. One of the prominent features of Rust is its ability to prevent security risks. With Rust, programmers have the opportunity to create software that is less susceptible to security vulnerabilities. Rust is supported by Mozilla and can be introduced as an up-to-date programming language. Among the feature of Rust is the combination of key elements of both old and new programming languages. Rust has accomplished this goal. This feature has made users consider it a fast and powerful programming language that can be used for optimized and extensive purposes. Utilizing the performance of low-level programming languages and the capabilities of high-level programming languages is another feature of Rust. Many programmers around the world believe that C and C++ are still highly usable and will never become outdated. Regardless of the introduction of new programming languages, the reality is that there is no programming language that can fully replace C and C++. The only thing we can witness is the introduction of updates and improvements for these two languages. Rust can be seen as an improved and updated version of the C language. It was released by Mozilla in 2014 and has gained significant growth and popularity in a short period of time. According to Stack Overflow statistics in 2018, Rust was the most loved programming language in the world. Rust is a system programming language designed for higher speed, concurrency, and more safety. This their accepts can else be considered weakness of C and C++. Rust is an open source programming language created by a community of developers. Rust is a modern language and primarily supported by Mozilla. In order to demonstrate its best performance, Rust combines key elements of both new and old programming languages. This combination has allowed Rust to be recognized as a powerful and fast language, which can now be used in a wide range of applications. Additionally, Rust utilizes the features of high-level language along with the efficiency of low-level languages. One of the best features of the Rust programming language is its utilization of mutable Browning algorithms instead of brute force algorithms used in other languages. This algorithm ensures that resources are managed throughout a unique system called resource actualization is initialization. Rust also utilizes stack allocation for resource management. Memory safety is one of the most important features that distinguishes the Rust programming language. In Rust, data values conforming to a specific and constant pattern are allowed to be initialized, and activities with null pointers are not permitted. This factor contributes to increased memory safety. In this language, there is an additional library responsible for checking the nullity of a pointer. Rust language has the ability to automatically infer the data type of programming expressions. Therefore, you can expect greater speed during application development with this language. With the pattern matching feature, the Rust programming language can examine token patterns, making it easy to determine whether a token follows a specific pattern or not. Rust supports powerful and safe general-purpose constructs that make code complexity more manageable. It has rich syntax and support easy integration with C and several others language without incurring a significant overhead. Using Rust allows you to predict program behavior at runtime and saves time in debugging and testing. Rust also benefits from a strong community support. Despite all the advantages, Rust has limitations such as being a complex programming language for complex programming tasks, having a steep learning curve, and slower completion speeds during its development.